Hey gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Welcome to my temporary filming space in New York City. Been here a couple of days. Got a cheeky little unboxing for you already. Yes, I have. Apologies for the sound quality, I forgot to use my microphone. I actually bought this a little while ago being about 3 or 4 months ago, and they've been babysat for me until I was here to collect them. I bought these from Lisa of Luxury Living in the Middle. I'm going to get everyone's names and things wrong because I'm just really giddy, and this is completely on the fly. We've been sightseeing and I'm exhausted, but I wanted to get this unboxing out here because I am excited. And this is a wish list thing. Not a wish list specifically for New York City, but a wish list for 2023 and again on 2024. So I bought this from Lisa in her vlog sale a few months ago, and she very kindly offered to keep hold of it until we arrived in New York. And on the second night that we were here, Lisa came to our hotel. She brought these with her to hand them over, and then we all went out for a lovely dinner together. So a massive shout out to Lisa for A, selling this to me, and B, for looking after them for me, C, bringing them to the hotel on the subway, and D, for being such excellent company at dinner as well. So let's get into it. Obviously, clearly Fendi. There's a little sticker here that might tell you what it is, but the shape of the box should probably tell you that it's shoes. So Lisa had kept the box and everything for me. I've got the 2 dust bags. I have no idea what the sound quality is going to be like on this video. You're on a tripod over there on the desk in our room. This is our bed. So fingers crossed, the aircon's on as well. Fingers crossed you can actually hear me. I have finally got my hands on a pair of the Fendi Feel sandals, also from Fendi, the Fendi Feel in silk dad sandals. I've been looking at these for a couple of years now, and maybe this year's the year for me, 2024. Let me bring them to you. Look, it's the tobacco coloured zucca print. This is in silk. Twill, like my trousers. I didn't bring my trousers, which is annoying, but I tried these on. Weirdly, I tried these on for the first time, having had them on my wish list all year. Weirdly, I tried these on for the first time, and Lisa was actually with me. It was in Harrods, and it was when we all did our meetup in September in London.
Look who's just arrived!
Hello!
It's only Lisa!
You're a United States American representative.
No, we're all congregating on Fendi. Well, there's a surprise, isn't it?
And I tried these on and I thought, oh my god, they're fabulous. And Lisa gave me a really good deal on them as well. So that's an E, thank you for Lisa. So these are the Fendi Feel sandals. I am delighted to have these. And they feel quite heavy, but when I tried them on, they were really comfy. So, excuse the sirens, New York City, baby. Yeah, so happy. I think Lisa wore these once in her flat, and that was pretty much it, because there's no wear to the bottom at all, and they look incredible. I am going to try and pop them on and do a little mod shot for you, but I am going to warn you that I wasn't quite prepared for my feet to swell quite the way they have whilst running around town getting our steps in the heat, because it has been 29 degrees today. And we've been doing a lot of walking, we've been doing a lot of sightseeing, so I will attempt to get my little trotters into these to show you a mod shot. The other one out as well. Unfortunately, I don't think the box is going to go home with me because there won't be space, but here they are. Oh, how cool are those? I mean, I do like Fendi, I do like Fendi Zucker print, so oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to finally have them. Yeah, I wanted to get this unboxing done here in New York to share with you. Look, this has even got the sticker still on the bottom. And hopefully I shall be wearing these at some point while we're here if my feet stop swelling up in the heat. Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this short little unboxing. And there may be more to come. I don't actually know just yet, but that will remain to be seen. So there may be more to come. Hope you've enjoyed this boxing. Stay tuned for more shenanigans around New York and some vloggy vlogs, meetups and all sorts of things. Yeah, so until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye! New York City, baby! Right out there, it's right out that window.